Alright everyone, so this will be starting part 7 of this Telecaster build. I went ahead, I got the fretboard and stuff leveled up, I got all the slots cleaned out, I opened up a little bit with the triangular file so we can get the frets in there really easy. Definitely want to get the frets in today. Then I have like a neck plate, I've got a couple other little plates and things like that for the body that'll go on, and I definitely at least want to get the neck made up to the body too, or at least have the holes drilled into the back to fit the plate on it. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get stuff set up here. I'm going to start getting these frets bent, and I have to do the hidden tang thing, so I'll have to file the tangs off the ends of the frets and stuff and clip them there. But I'm going to get things set up here, and then I'll just jump right into getting some frets on this neck. Okay, kind of did a little time skip there just because that was a lot of repetition and stuff there. But now we have got all of our frets in this neck. So the other thing I've done, I've just gone along and trimmed them, and then I put a 45-degree angle on the sides of them. I haven't rounded them over or level crowned and polished or anything like that yet. I still have to carve the neck. I want to level crown and polish after we carve the neck, just in case the neck, flexes or anything. But I think we should be all right. This is a really almost perfectly quarter sawn rosewood neck blank, so I think this thing is going to be extremely strong, especially with those titanium rods in there. But for right now, I think we'll switch back to the body. I'm going to put the neck in the body. We'll get the plate line. Well, we'll drill the plate holes and all that good stuff. Get the neck lined up in the body. Get the holes drilled into the back of the neck. And then I might actually go ahead and just carve the neck blank tonight too. So then that way it can sit, rest, do whatever it's going to do over the course of time. And then the next time we come back, we'll be able to level crown polish the frets, start getting the rest of the hardware made up onto the body. I still need to get pickups and things like that. I've got a couple spare sets I'm using just as placeholders right now. But yeah, then it should just be getting close to finish now. So I'll go ahead and get some stuff moved around here again, and we'll get to work getting this fit up to the body. Okay, quick, nice short work of that. But yeah, we now have a neck on this body. Nice kind of like a road worn. Road worn is what I got. Just trying to go for more of like a worn in look, not necessarily relic or vintage or anything like that. But I think it'll do it just fine. But yeah, so that's pretty much that. Oh yeah, I have a control cavity plate. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna do that on camera just because I think it's literally all the 2 screws. But I'll get it lined up. I'll put that on here, and then we'll go ahead and we'll switch over here. And I think I'll go ahead and I'll get the neck carved up, and we will call that one an episode for today. Kind of a little bit shorter and sweeter, but really making some progress here. So just give me a second, and I'll get to carving on this neck. Alright, so there's a lot of sanding and carving and stuff there, but it's still pretty rough. Try to keep it in frame there for you. Nice little volute there on the end. But yeah, again, it's still pretty rough, but I think it's pretty close. I think it's kind of sitting at about it's roughly a D shape, I want to say, for the overall look of it. I'll see if I can give a little quick capture of that for you so that you can see there. Yeah, let me get a better one there. That way you can actually kind of tell at least. There we go. So yeah, kind of like a, I don't know, D. I'd call that a D maybe. But pretty good. I don't know exactly what I carved it down to, but I mean, feels pretty standard for a Telecaster to me anyway, but fits pretty comfy, and the whole thing is just, I mean, that's so nice and light. Still that nice copper up there. Walnut on the back. Yeah. So, yeah, I think we'll call that one good for today. Whenever I come back, I will we'll get the frets level crowned and polished, let the neck rest do its thing. We'll get everything sanded down to a good final. Oh, I need to put the bridge on too. Now that we have this neck on here, I need to get the bridge positioned. So we'll do that next time too. Level crown, polish the frets, and then just get everything sanded down to final grit. And after that, it should be ready to start getting the finish on it. So stay tuned, guys. I'll see you in the next episode.